Take the meat that you want to tie and have thick butcher's string on hand. You want to avoid thin string, which will snap easily. You can use this method for any cut of meat that you like. Tie your string around one end of your meat and holding the string in your hand, twist it twice to create a loop, then pass it over your meat. Pull the string left and right to tighten it. Repeat this process in 1-inch intervals until you reach the other end. Flip your meat over and measure out a double length of the string and cut it off the roll. Take the end of the string and feed it through each loop, passing it under and over the string. When you reach the end, flip your meat back over and tie it off. At this point, you can neaten up your loops so that they are even. Remember, this isn't pretty, but it is functional.